Want to control a servo motor wirelessly from anywhere in the world, using just your phone? Rocket, stay tuned, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to do it using the ESP8266 NodeMCU and the Blynk app over Wi-Fi. This is a powerful and beginner-friendly IoT project. We'll connect a servo motor to the ESP8266, connect it to Wi-Fi, and use the Blynk app slider to rotate it in real time, no wires needed after setup. Here's what you'll need: a NodeMCU ESP8266 board, an SG90 servo motor, jumper wires, a 5V speed power source, and the Blynk app installed on your phone. First, wire the servo motor, connect its signal pin to D4 on the ESP8266, the red wire to 5V, and the brown to GND. Now, open the Blynk app, create a new project, and add a slider widget linked to virtual pin P1. Blynk will email you an authentication token, save it for later. Next, in the Arduino IDE, install the Blynk and ESP8266 libraries. Use the sample code provided in the description, insert your Wi-Fi credentials and Blynk auth token. The code reads values from the slider, maps them to servo angles, and sends them to the servo via PWM. Upload the code, power the board, and open the Blynk app. Now slide your finger on the app, and just like that, the servo rotates wirelessly. This can be used in smart locks, robotic arms, home automation, or any creative project. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for full code and circuit diagram. Keep building and stay creative.